So welcome guys, by the way, and if you are new to this channel, before we get started, please click the subscribe button. If you've not, turn on the notification bell icon so when I comment and when I make a new video, you'll be able to get an update. Also like this video, share, and I'll watch out, and also comment, I'll watch out for it. Now take a look at this gold. We would want to predict the price for the next day, which is October 3, right? So in order to be able to predict this price properly, we would want to understand this movement. So to be able to understand this movement, we would have to roll to the monthly time frame. So this monthly time frame is how we are going to predict this movement. Now take a look at this movement since 2015 November. We've actually been going bullish on gold, right? Gold has actually been rolling up since 2015. Then it's got to a point which was 2020, around 2020, around that 2020 it got to its peak for gold, right? Gold got to its peak around 2020, then all of a sudden it dropped. Then when it rose up back again, it actually got to that its same peak and it's rejected again. So this is one of the reasons why I highlighted this stop, and we possibly they can take it as a resistance level or kind of like a double top. That is if you want to see it that way on the monthly time frame. So basically the price has rejected this top multiple times, failing to move above. Now once this price drop, it's actually dropped to a key level here, which we highlighted down. We saw this huge wick that reacted here. Once price dropped to this level, it reacted and gave us this huge wick. Price also came to this same level. One of the reasons why it pushes up, we have this candlestick wick here. So once price came to this level again, we had this huge wick. So a lot of people were thinking, oh, we would start going bullish. But if you were following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we predicted this bearish move. So all of us so one thing led to another. The movement actually came to this level again, and guess what? It's actually broke below this level. So we all know that once price is ranging, maybe is ranging within support or resistance level, we tend to see price come back to test that support level again. Once price break out of a support level, the price will surely come to test that support level. So it is one of the reasons why on this monthly time frame here, this candlestick on this that represents a monthly time frame, right? It's actually broke below it, and now we are seeing a pullback. This is one of the reasons why we are having this candlestick week. The pullback is more visible on the daily time frame though, so we would get into that later. So basically we can see this movement here. This was 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. For good 6 months, we've been bearish on the monthly time frame. So, and definitely it has gotten to a key level that it has broken below, right? So we would want to see it move to another next level. So the next level we are aiming for this gold to go to is this one on the monthly time frame, which is a level of 1559. So currently this gold is at 1660. So actually from 160 to this 1559, we would have about 6% drop, which is like which we can call it like 1009 pips, or we can say 10,098 basis points if you want to call it. But above all, we can see we will be seeing about 6% drop on this gold to actually come to this next level. So this is the next level we will be aiming for on the next time frame, which is about 1559.98. That is what we'll be expecting. Now another reason is that another way we can look at this is that this price is below 10 period moving average. Rules of trading 10 period moving average is once price is above it, we have to go long, but as in this case the price is below it and it is even dropping, no indication that it will even give us a bullish move. So basically this price, we are still on a bearish move. So it is very easy if you are a new trader or a beginner, if you are to actually short this. So monthly time frame, we are bearish. Now let's roll down to the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, let's start this movement from here for better understanding and to make it quicker. Very much there's only one movement we can see here. It is a bearish move, right? Let's take a look at this movement from here. There was a lower lows that was made here, a lower highs here, another lower lows, then we got a lower highs, then we had another lower lows. We see it came to this level that we once talked about on our weekly or monthly time frame, where price come to this level and rejected. So of course price will have a pullback at that same level. right? So after that, the price actually dropped to this level again, and it broke below the level. So this level that was once our resistance level, price has broken below it. And once price break below support level, price will surely come back to test that level again. It is exactly what you've had on this weekly time frame on gold. So the week that just passed, price has give us a bullish move. So this week we are aiming for, we are actually on a bearish move. We would want to go bearish, right? So gold, by the way, we are expected to drop right next, since price correction is over, by the way. So we are expected to drop. And secondly, the price is still below our 10 period moving average. So once price is below 10 period moving average, once again we have to short this price position. Now that will now take us down to the daily time frame. Now take a look at this daily time frame. See it basically, we saw this movement from here, right? See, it is a bearish move dropping. So now let's start from this closest level here for better and easier understanding, to make it faster, right? So I mean, take a look at this drop on gold on this daily time frame. We saw this lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Now another lower lows have been made. What you can see here is a lower highs which has come to this level. Of course, on this daily time frame, after this price has given us a pullback, what we are expecting again is another drop. So if you notice that on this weekly time frame, our pullback is about over, right? We've gotten the pullback and we are now expecting a drop. Even this daily time frame is also showing us the same thing though. So maybe if you want to take this trade, possibly maybe you can wait for the price to break below 10 period moving average. Since the price is above 10 period moving average, if you wait for it to be below 10 period moving average before you short it, I think you will be on the safer side to actually take the trade. But later we'll get into that. Now take a look at this movement. I think this was a movement around August. I wanted to actually see something about this gold, by the way. If you take a look at this movement, this was around August. We see that this price has been dropping, right? Then if you take a look at this, our USD index, which relates to our USD pairs, you will see that at that same August, where was it? This was the movement here. This was the movement around August. You see that we've been going bullish since. So basically, I've done analysis on fundamental analysis on how to trade gold. I've pinned it to the channel. You can watch it so you understand how gold move. So in one of those analysis, I said there's this cause this movement. Once the USD is going bullish, we would have a drop on this gold. But once the USD is dropping, once the USD index is dropping, meaning our, you can call it DXY, then we will see a bullish move on our gold, by the way. So basically, as USD continues to go bullish, then there will be a drop. But once the USD continues to drop, then the gold will continue to rise up, because it will become more expensive to get the gold, meaning you will need more USD to actually get that gold. The reason why that USD keeps rising. But since we have a bullish move on USD, then definitely we would have a drop on our gold, by the way. So gold, we are still on a bearish move, right? So daily time frame, you have to take this trade. Now to actually predict the price for the next day, we would want to place this trade, right? We would roll down to the 4-hour time frame. Now this will now take us to a certain key level here. We can see that this price has reacted to this level multiple times, which we are seeing here, right? We saw that this price came to this level, it's dropped, it came to this level again, to drop, came to this level, it's dropped, came to this level again, it's dropped. Now this price has rose to the same level, and guess what, we're having a drop. So basically we have now dropped to this low points here, which is our support level. It's once range previously on the 4-hour time frame. Now this price has come and hit this resistance level, and of course it's rejected. So once again, like I said, if you want to place this trade, because we want to short it the next day, right, we would just wait for this price to actually break below this support level. Once price break below support level, then we can opt to take profits here. First take profits, then the second take profits maybe by year, the second take profit, and the last take profits should be the week candlestick week here, probably for this week. But for the day, we would want to actually see this price drop. So I personally believe that this what did I call it, this gold will actually go bearish against to our USD. Reason is that when you take a look at this USD itself, once you see a bullish move USD index, right, let's take this movement from here. I think from here would be better. We saw this bullish move, right, then a correction was made on gold, then we add another impulse move, and then we add a correction. now that this correction is over, we are all expecting a bullish move, right? So the next, once markets open, we will definitely get another bullish move, at least to take this candlestick wick here, at least to take this candlestick wick here. So we would want to hit the candlestick, this our eyes here, this our higher eyes here, this our previous higher eyes, right? So once the price can hit it, then we will now start going to break above it. But for the sake of the next day, which is October 3, we would want to see where the price will be moving. So as this USD index will give us that bullish move to come hit this our eyes, then I can assure you that we will be getting a drop. So let's try and take this, this day should be a take profit for the next day. So once price open, we should try and take our gold profits around this level. So gold USD, I am still seeing a bearish move for the next day.